All right. Hey, y'all. Well, we're back and we're getting ready to do the pork belly. You see, we've got it. It's been cut and scored already. It's sat and it's cured some overnight. And now we're ready to do the work of seasoning it so we can put it on the smoker. Those that's been following along with us this morning already, Demlees already put the brisket on. The brisket's out there doing its thing. And so we're gonna get popping and get it going, okay? Y'all just hang with us for just a minute. I'll be right back. Take a look at that Reuben's dry rub that we got sitting there. We're ready to go with. We're gonna get this thing all sauced up here in just a second and get it seasoned and ready to roll. All right. So we've been up early this morning working on getting this thing going. We pulled our pork bellies out about 2 hours ago to let them sit. So I didn't want them just going from cold straight to the heat. And so now we're getting ready to get started with it. We got anybody with us so far, Iris, that any questions, anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Just Joseph Webb is watching.
Hey, Dr. Webb.
And Anaya Hood is watching.
What's going on? Hey, your daddy over here, girl. Your auntie's getting ready to take him to the airport so he can get home. So, we're going to do this one with Reuben's dry rub seasoning. And we're going to make this like candied bacon or candied pork belly. So I'm going to coat it also in this brown sugar. And then the next one we'll do with Demlees special dry rub mix that we have. So let us get started. And I'm coating it with both the dry rub and the sugar, the brown sugar, and I'm gonna pat it down. So that means I'm gonna coat it heavily because I don't want to, I'm not rubbing it in because I don't want to, I wanna keep it pretty even. Okay? So I need more sugar than that.
Kind of like chalk.
Kind of like, yeah, when you out there coloring on the sidewalk. Kind of so. And so the reason why we're patting it and we're doing it somewhat thick is because we need this to get down in between all the crevices that we've already scored. And as you can see, when we move it like that, it makes that break in it, okay? All right.
Pat it.
Now I'm going to liberally put on the Reuben's dry rub seasoning. And y'all know y'all like, well, that's a lot of sodium, yeah. Well, it's gonna pretty much cook into it. It'll be all right. Gonna pat it in. Reuben's seasoning is great. I love it. I enjoy it, but I also enjoy my own too. So I'm doing all of this. Y'all like, man, look, we in COVID. Why are you cooking all of this food? Well, I'm gonna share it with my neighbors. Hadn't had a chance to give anything to my wonderful neighbors next door, Nick and Melissa, and then we just got 2 more great sets of neighbors that have moved in the neighborhood. And so it's kind of our way, Demlees' way of saying welcome to the neighborhood, and we're going to share our food with them, take some over to them. It's like I said, we have one set of neighbors that since they've been here, they brought cookies, they brought Christmas cookies, they brought zucchini bread, and all of this stuff. And I'm not used to somebody just keep giving me all the food. I'm used to being the one that shares, right? So I've got this pretty much coated well. This is good. This one is ready to go. I'm gonna break this pan down. Just rinse it out. And I'm gonna flatten it you know, ingenuity, you know what I'm saying? Just use what you got, and we'll slide this pork belly off of here.
Brian Hawkins said, do a flip.
What's up, New? Behold. So I'm gonna sit that one there and let you take a closer look at it.
I have a question for all of you.
Sure.
Are all of you guys making these, or are you just watching them?
Oh, I think they're just watching. That's a good question, baby. Maybe the question more appropriate might be to ask them, what are they cooking today?
Also, what are you cooking for Labor Day?
Yeah. All right. So that's all the brown sugar in there, but guess what?
Got another one.
Yeah, you stay ready. You don't have to get ready, you know? So, y'all looking at me like, why you got them glasses on? I saw Master P do a video the other day with his Versace's on.
Dad.
And this Iris's favorite rapper too. She loves the Ice Cream Man. Mr. Ice Cream Man. And I said, you know, what made me really tune in to catch what he was going to say, other than it being Master P, like one of my entrepreneur heroes, he had his glasses on and I couldn't see his eyes. And so I was like, well, let me just sit here long enough. And it forced me to look at his eyes and to pay attention to what he was saying. And he was dropping some jewels, you know, as he always does. And so I thought maybe if I put my sunglasses on,
Dad.
drop my Versace's on, y'all might just pay attention to what's happening, you know, and see that how we're hooking this meat up this morning. All right, so I've got it coated with the candy.
Saniqua Lou said, LOL, just watching.
Yeah, that candy paint is on now, and I'm coming back across here with this with my this is my dry rub mix, Demlees dry rub mix, and I use some whole peppercorn in it. I don't put any salt in my dry rub. Woo, that pepper jumps.
Dad, that's another reason why you need to wear glasses.
Yeah.
They should be protective ones, though.
It's serious, y'all. But it's gonna cook off right.
Too much spice.
So we got it on now, and it's gonna be just enough. It's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna get my excess that I got right here.
And dump it on there.
That's right. That's right. Because
Waste not, want not.
that's right, Iris. Hey, let me tell you something. Iris might be the next economist. She understands. Waste not, want not. You got to. If you got it, you use it.
No, I just know you.
Hey, I know you do. That's why. Hey, you are me, and I am you. We them leaves. We is us. And for y'all that don't know what that means, you know what, you need to check it out. Okay, so look, the pork bellies are on. They're done right about now. Y'all talk to Iris for a moment. I'm going to get some things set up so y'all can see the bellies go on Odessa, who's outside hot, smoking. I mean, it looked like a choo-choo train stack going outside right about now. So let me go get some more stuff prepared so that you can see that. I'll be right back with you. Iris, talk to the people.
All right. What are you guys going to plan to do for Labor Day? That's my question.
You want to look at it in the camera?
I guess so. Ooh. I'm tall enough. And you really have to try what Dad's making. He makes this a lot. It tastes good. He makes a lot of meat stuff.
So, Jay, you come on out here and talk to them as they are checking out Odessa. y'all can see it, we walking up on her. Now temp is getting down, so we gotta put some more wood on.
Wait, is that her actual name?
Yep. Oh, that's Uncle Earl named her.
Aw, cute.
So just for anybody that might ask, we're smoking with cherry wood. I love to cook with fruit wood. Y'all can keep that hickory and that mesquite stuff and all of that. It ain't bad, but it's something about cooking with fruit wood, especially cherry. I'm opening my stack back up so I can get that smoke back going and get her back good and hot. I'll be right back. Iris, keep the people coming.
All right. Not so Hey. What has no legs, no arms, and it has fish? It's a riddle. I don't know how long I'm going to be dancing. I'm just going to dance as long as my dad comes back. Woo. Hey. I think he's back.
Is the Naya still in there?
Yes, he's still there.
What I'm gonna do? I can stand. I ain't got to lean
Yeah.
or nothing.
Hey,
Hey, Naya.
all right. So as y'all can see, the brisket looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in here. The one on the bottom, that's Demlees
Oh, that's so cute, Iris.
Pork Belly. And for those that wonder, I like to go beef up top, start with chicken at the very top, then beef, then pork, as far as stuff dripping down. Y'all say hey to the first lady.
Hey, guys.
Came to help us out. She looks so lovely, wouldn't you agree?
Wow, that looks good.
All right. So y'all, now it's just time to sit back and wait. We're gonna let the pork bellies and those briskets do their thing. Let the temp climb back up there, and we into place. Folks saying anything to me, to you and I?
Yep.
What they talking about?
Chantel Lavender said, I felt that dad, LOL.
What's up, Shantae?
Shaniqua Lee said, grill some ribs and burgers.
Nah, ain't no ribs and burgers today. We ain't doing no simplicities out here, you know what I'm saying? You know.
Chantel Lavender said, are we invited to come eat, LOL.
Well, if it wasn't COVID, you know you can come through.
Right. COVID people back.
COVID shutting everything down right now.
Chantel Lavender said, you stumped me on the riddle.
What riddle?
I gave them
Oh, what was the riddle?
what has no legs, no arms, body. It has fish.
Let me see. Is it the sea?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going for Dad of the Year, folks. So look, y'all. I've been with y'all now about 15 minutes. Y'all keep checking in. When y'all see that alert go off, jump back in. We'll be doing this all day. It's going to be a couple of check-ins. We're doing a slow cook right now. So we're looking to pull that brisket off, man. We're going to wrap it in about 4 more hours in this butcher paper. Let me give y'all a little secret. Check this out. Don't tell everybody I told you this. Publix use their grocery bag, the paper bag. It has wax lining. I know I shared it with some of you yesterday. It has wax lining. You can use it for butcher paper. How about that? Well, that's all the tricks. That's all the treats I got for you right now. Keep tuning in to
Cooking with Demlees. Woo!